Want to earn money online using AI? Today, I'll show you 5 AI tools you can use to make real dollars from home. Tool 1. ChatGPT. This tool can write emails, Fiverr gigs, proposals, even scripts for YouTube. Tool 2. Canva AI. You can design YouTube thumbnails, logos, and social media posts without any experience. Tool 3. CapCut AI. Best video editor for Shorts, Reels, and YouTube with automatic captions. Tool 4. 11 Labs. Create realistic AI voice for faceless videos. Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel, AI Toolbox. Tool 5. Fiverr. Use these AI tools and offer services on Fiverr to earn in dollars. If you want more videos like this, subscribe now and start your online earning journey today.